Welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna be making my tie, and we need to hem and sew our buttons on. So I'm making my tie. So what I'm doing is I measured about 1.5 yards, and I'm using 2 inches. So I'm going to measure that. And then I'll put it around me after I get it cut and see if I need to just shrink it a little. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this strip. This is just my leftover material. Okay, and then I'm just going to put it around and see if I have enough to just have a little tie. It could be a little bit longer, but that's okay. I can just cut this. I have to cut this in half anyways, and I'll just add a little to it. And then I'm just going to make this like bias tape. It really doesn't give you a pattern for a tie. So I would probably say like 2 yards long. So I'm just going to cut this one in half and add it to it. And sew these ends up. Okay, then come back to your ironing board and just open up the seam. And then fold this in half and press it. All the way down. And then come back and you're going to press these edges to the middle. Okay, so you're going to want to close your ends. So open it up and turn over probably about 3/4 of an inch. Okay, now turn this one piece and have it go to the middle. And you're gonna close your other end up too. So get that done and then come back and do the same thing on this end and then come back and just fold it all together and then sew down, and that'll be your tie. Okay, when you start turning this row down, you can come back and just start turning this down and clipping it. And just go on to some more. And just keep doing that, and then go to the sewing machine and sew up this strip. Okay, once you have that done and it's all clipped, just start in the middle, and that way when you sew and get to the end, your sewing machine won't have a hard time going over it. And then come back and start on this side. Okay, everybody, here they are. I didn't sew my buttons on yet, but you all know how to sew buttons. But this is 6005. Okay, thanks for watching. And like I said, my editing program was set at the wrong ratio or something. Something happened. I'm trying to get it fixed. But tomorrow we'll be doing N6656, and I'll be doing A. So I'll get that all cut out and get that ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna make a special video that we're close to 1,000, and this will just be the drawing for a serger. And all you have to do is put me in the comment, and then I can put your name in a basket. And when we hit 1,000, I will pull a name out, and somebody will win a serger. So that's about it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I know a couple subscribers asked me about my husband, and we go late May and get a bunch of testing done and see where we go from there. So we'll get through this too. But anyways, you all have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.